Okay, let's have a look at this. See exactly what's going on here. Oh, very thin. Getting a lot thicker over here. Nice and thick there. And good quality copper. So there is good quality plate there. Have a look at it. Bit flaky up here, but usable. Like copper butter. Slicing it off. More excellent quality copper. There's some growth on the other side here. So, we'll just free it from the edge. These plates are much easier to use than other ways than I've been using. There we go. There's going to be a bit of dust. Okay, there's going to be some leftovers. Let's get them off. So the surface area, the extra surface area is working. That's the copper that's going to go into my pot. Okay, let's get this copper butter off. Here we go. Oh. That's a better way to do it. If you leave this for a week, you will never get the copper off. Yeah, this copper's never coming off. This will be copper plated by the time I'm finished with it. This is sticking so well. With respect to the new anode weight, I've insulated it with PVC tape just to stop any electrons leaking out from there and not taking effect on the copper, so I can submerge this fully in the bath and not have any worries. Okay, we'll reset up the bath. Okay, I've polished up the plates for better conductivity. We'll get them back into the bath where they're at home. I'm going to leave the big disc out for now because I'm preferring this method. These plates have a good surface area and I can stick my conductors on there. Okay, here's number one. It's that simple. Where's number two? Let's get him onto here. Okay. We'll get the last one onto here. Just keeping it simple. Now this should be very thirsty. Let's get the electrode in. Make sure it's anchored to that copper. Alright, it's pulling some current. Let me get this over here so we've got better visibility. Okay. So we've got 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's see how that goes. Much better. Needs the dripulator, it's already starting to absorb copper. Dripulator. Ooh, that's really fast. Better slow that down. And you can do that with a sauce bottle. Just a drip. For you later. Making the dripulator. Now, like I said yesterday, this is forcing liquid out slowly. Any denser liquid, and pushing it towards the plates. Now I'm looking at dosing pumps, chemical dosing pumps for this purpose because it runs through a plastic tube and won't be affected by the acid. Let's see how this dripulator dripulates. Keep it clean, very nice. Very nice. An inside view of the dripulator in action. Just pushing the fluid out, very, very low pressure, gradually, just helping it to mix. Not a bad idea. So this is the way I'm going to leave it for now, with a plate at each end to absorb the copper, and use the dripulator and look for a pump, so it'll be automated and I can just leave it there for a great deal of time just to keep circulating. I think this is the method that we need to keep the fluid somewhat moving. And as you can see, it's doing just that, moving. If you look close enough, you can see the particles going to the plate. So that's good news. That's really good news. I think I should get a current draw on it. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Okay, that's okay. Let's see what happens and if we get more out of it. Move that plate a bit closer. Just to catch the copper and have it gravitate towards it. See a little floaties on there. We'll get them sorted out.